Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? My name is Priscilla and karibuni sana kwa channel yetu. Leo nimetumia the other side of the studio that you never get to see. I just, interchanged everything and I kind of, like it. It feels more comfortable to film when I'm seated like this, when it's content that I'm just, sharing with you. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I think you need to have at home in order for you to feel well rested. Not in terms of furniture and all, but in terms of, well, let's get into it and you'll be able to see. So let me start with the first one. I have a bathrobe over here. This is a bathrobe. When I finish showering, as I'm oiling myself, etc., I want to put on a robe and feel very warm. Hizi vitu sio za kupiga picha. Therefore, using this is very nice. It makes you feel so cozy, so you can spend more time oiling yourself because hausikii baridi. So haukimbii mbio mbio upake mafuta haraka. Take your time, oil yourself, cover yourself so that you feel warm. Higher. The other thing that I feel is necessary for you to have at home are your house shoes. These house shoes are very nice. I don't know why I never used to buy house shoes kitambo. I use this one. These ones are from King's Collection. Even the bathrobe, you can find it at King's Collection. And these ones just make me feel very, very comfortable. And on that note, you can also have some, like I have these ones here. These are house shoes as well. They are very warm inside. And these ones are, I got them from, is it Mtindo Market? Yeah, they're just second-hand shoes, house shoes, and I really like them. They're very warm and cozy, and yeah, you get the whole idea. Have some shoes that will just make you walk around the house feeling very nice and comfortable. You can also wear some socks. Like I have these stockings. I wear these ones at home, and I really like them. When it's very hot, like right now it's a bit hot, so I use these ones when I'm in the house. I can also just wear, normal socks like this. I like these ones that have like a smiley over here. Every time I am, buying or shopping socks for the house, I always look for socks that have like something cute, so they make me smile and feel at home. And these ones here, they look very sweet and I like them. I also have these socks over here. These ones are for the days when it's very, very cold, and they have a cute bow. Can you see the bow? Let me just show you. There, they have this cute little bow, and I really like them. So yeah, different kinds of socks, and these are the socks for the house. I don't wear this when I'm going anywhere, of course. They're for the house and they make me feel very warm, so I can wear these ones and then put on the house shoes and I'll be good to go. The other thing that I like to have at home that will make me feel very comfortable is a pair of pajamas. Yes, I am guilty. I do wear pajamas every time I'm in the house. It doesn't matter whether it's at night or not. You will always find me in pajamas, especially the silky ones. These silk ones, I really love them. And they have like teddy bears over here. So yeah, that just makes me feel at home and comfortable. You can also wear your dera or just a simple dress. Remember, you're at home. You just want to rest and feel good. And for me, this always works. I will put on my pajamas and that's it. Hata kama ni saa 7 mchana, mimi nitavaa pajamas because I find them very comfortable. But yeah, you are free to wear anything as long as you are comfortable. Identify that one fabric or one outfit that will make you feel at home and make you feel very, very comfortable. I have the same for my spouse over here. Hizi ni zake. They're also silk, and he also loves them because they make him feel at home. I have his robe, I have everything that I have, he also has. Of course, I buy for him because I want us to feel comfortable together. But you get the whole idea. Make sure you have things that are specific to the house. And for me, these pajamas are my go-to house clothes. The other thing that I like to keep at home is this thing over here. This is not a blanket. This is another robe higher. Now the other one was the bathrobe. You wear that on when you're coming from the shower and when you're oiling yourself so that you don't feel cold. This one, however, just adds the coziness. Like when I'm in the house and I'm watching TV, I've put on my pajamas or a big t-shirt or whatever, or a dera, and then I'll just wear this thing on top of it. I just feel so warm. But of course, it's for days when it's cold. I don't do this every day, but I like it. You will find me in this any time. And I don't use this for after showering, because of its, I feel like this fleece is really good for just keeping me warm and not necessarily, keeping me warm and dry after the shower. So I use this one when I'm in the house watching my TV, Netflix and chill, and I feel so cozy. Sijui nini ilikuwa inafanya sikuwa na hizi vitu kitambo. I don't know if I didn't know they exist, maybe, or I just never, budgeted for them. Like, I had other things that would help me be comfortable, but now that I'm more aware of what comfort really means to me and how I want to be comfortable in my own space, then I am a bit more conscious of the things that I buy in order to make my house comfortable, and this is it for me. And then, last but not least, or second last, yeah, this fleece, this blanket over here. Don't you all like it? Yeah, you need a blanket like this, a throw blanket. Ukikaa kwa kiti, ukiona movie, unajifunika tu hivyo kutoka chini mpaka miguu, like that, and just enjoy your movie. This just feels like home. I love it. You can buy one, you can buy two. I love them. Check online, Gigi, Jumia, Wapi, hizi vitu ziko kila mahali, and I really like them. So warm. Of course, when I'm wearing, I won't wear this, and still have this, but when I have just my pajamas or whatever, I will always just cover myself with this. But when it's very cold, I mean, why not? If you like comfort like me, this is your safe space. You can get a lighter one. It doesn't have to be this heavy. I just tend to feel a little bit more, cold. So I like to be as warm as possible. And then the other thing that just makes me very comfortable at home is my workout mat. Yeah, I want to be comfortable. And because I want to work out in the house, I have this mat over here. I got this one from Miniso. I think it was 1,000 baht or something. So you see, or 1,500, I'm not sure. So this mat over here makes me very comfortable. Initially, I think when I used to do workouts at home, once in a blue moon, I would just do it on the carpet or whatever. But right now I realize, hey, why are you hurting your body? You have something to protect you from sleeping. You won't sleep, you'll not be uncomfortable. So get something, and I got this and I really like it. So yeah, those are some of the things that I have that make me feel comfortable at home. Of course, I have my chamomile tea and other teas that calm me down. I don't take coffee when I come back home to rest because I want to rest, and coffee for me does not spell the word rest. So I want to drink hot water, I want to drink my chamomile tea, I want to drink any tea that is going to calm my nerves down and not stimulate me further. I like my hot chocolate, I like my milk, hot milk. I like a clean space. That way I am confident that I'm going to be very, very comfortable. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Like, subscribe. Bye-bye.